that.
Bonitos.
Bite Me Bait Shack.
At the shack, baby, right there. Look at this. Look at how big they are.
Alright guys, so got the bonita from Bite Me Bait Shack. Now I got my shark rigs getting set up right here. Bomb, little wire, going for a small shark. I don't expect anything too big. I'm gonna be using the Brian the CEO custom monster mic rod with the Osprey 5000 from Florida Fishing Products. These rods were made by Fletcher's Custom Rods. You can see them on my Instagram and Monster Mike's Instagram. But they're IM8 graphite rods, so I'm gonna put it to the test, see if I can get on a shark today. About to throw the first piece out right now. Look at that little frozen blood right there. Gotta get your hands dirty, you know what I'm saying? So far so good on the monster mic rod. Florida Fishing Products 5000, Osprey 5000. Stay off the rocks. Little baby. Let's shoot. I wanted to get a shark, came out and got a shark.
Bro, that's a lot.
That's all mullet right there, guys.
Bro,
Fishing's gonna get fun. Big old cuda out there.
Alright, this is a big old bloody mullet. Brian's gonna launch him out.
Whip him out.
Oh! Here!
Whoa! Hey.
Oh my gosh! You ready, Brian?
I'm ready. Just get him. Nice.
Oh yeah, we got our fish. We got him.
Gotta set this down so I can go cast net. Cast out while he's doing that. Bro, sick.
Oh my gosh! Alright, I'm gonna show you how to catch some bait. I'm a tall guy, so I'm using a 4-foot cast net. Go catch some bait. I got some shiners.
There it is.
Some shiners.
You're dumping them out, Mike. There's that fail. Hey, fishing fails. Post this. Oh, they're right at his feet. There's a school here as well. Nice. That's all we needed right there. That's all we needed. Woo! I almost killed myself twice.
Alright, we got some candy.
Look at this. Boom. Finger mullet. Finger mullet. What do you think we can get on these? Some snook?
Snook, peacock bass. Alright, I got this little finger mullet. Let's see what we can get.
Oh, look at that. Look. Bro, look at that snook.
They're gonna hit you. We're filming.
I'm filming.
There's fish everywhere, guys. Look, there's carp there. There's snook down there. There's jacks and shads right there. There's mullet right there. There's peacock in there.
Oh, he's being chased. He's being chased by a snook. Oh my God! He bit it. He bit it. He bit it.
Let me get a camera, but let him eat. Let him eat. Bro, you had a freaking snook. Oh, that largemouth is gonna get it. That largemouth is gonna get it. That snook largemouth is gonna get it. Guys, look. He's chasing. He's chasing. Look. Don't say anything.
Not saying nothing.
Look, pretend we're not here.
No. You got me a little barracuda. That's real shark bait right there. shark bait. Shark bait. Break it down a little. Yeah. Oh, he's a big boy.
It's a lot farther out than I thought.
You almost pulled it.
Yeah, it looks like it. Make sure you don't get caught on the rocks.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. That's a shark.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him go.
That's it.
Remora? Whoop. Alright. Yeah. Got it. Go. Make sure you get some water back in the gills. And he's off. And I need a water break. Thanks for those mullet. Came in handy. Alright guys, I guess I don't need my 9s anymore because the sun's going down. They're about to close the park up here. But you saw Mike was cast netting earlier. I ended up having to go pick up my kids from school, so I had to drop them off. Brought my son back out to hang out, doing some bait. First I got some mullet with the cast net, chopped it up, and I got a barracuda on it. Took that barracuda, I still got a chunk here, right there. Took that cuda, which I'm gonna feed to the wild right now, and I threw a big chunk out. And that shark came like a bat out of hell. Took it. It took me about 200 yards out. I don't know if the jump was caught on camera, but that was one hell of a fight, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure your notifications are on. Monster Mike Fishing, we're out.
They say I be swagging, they slaying in fashion. Feel like King Arthur, I just slay the dragon. My jig on the bottom, I ain't even snagging. Slay like a savage, was looking the best.